Well, things for Yamaha and Maverick Vinales are going south even more than they already were. If you didn't hear, if you haven't watched, I'll leave a little link into the top right corner of the video I posted a couple months ago about him getting out of his contract for 2022 because, apparently they can't work together. He doesn't like the R1, there's too many problems for him, whatever it is. Spoiled rider complex, maybe, whatever. But now, there's even more. As of today, posted from the Yamaha MotoGP Instagram page, there is a Monster Energy Yamaha MotoGP statement from, today, and regarding the race, I think this weekend. Spielberg? I'm sorry if that's butchered, it's from Austria. That Maverick Vinales has been... quote unquote, let's do it this way. Yamaha regrets to announce that Maverick Vinales' entry to this weekend's Austrian MotoGP event has been withdrawn by the Monster Energy Yamaha GP team. So that doesn't even mean MotoGP has banned him or disqualified him or suspended him, whatever. It's the actual team, the team he rides for that pays his salary and is supposed to be what he's trying to win for, has said, nope, you don't get a ride for this weekend. And they're not replacing him either, so it's not like he's injured or something. No, they're and I quote again, Yamaha's conclusion is that the rider's actions could have potentially caused significant damage to the engine of his YZR-M1 bike, which could have caused serious risks to the rider himself and possibly pose a danger to all riders in the MotoGP race. If you look into it a little bit more, apparently, while he was in pit lane, he was at rev limiter, and they looked at all the telemetry and goobity goop and data and whatever, and they say, apparently they have enough reason to believe that what he was doing was not just a fluke or I don't know, by mistake, that he was actually doing something that was so wrong on a MotoGP bike that it could cause damage to the actual motorcycle, which they're not very cheap. The engine and everything like that, and especially for the team, if you lose an engine, you only get so many a year, and then you get penalties and the money attributed to all the parts and rebuilding and all that stuff. So there's a whole other back end to it that's not just him being stupid doing it, it's all the work and money and everything that would go to the backside of it to fix it. So it's pretty bad though that in your last year of your contract, you've already got it out. In the last year you're going to be riding for the team, where they already cut a year off your contract so you can leave and go somewhere else. The rumors are Aprilia, but nobody knows that for sure yet. It's never been said or whatever, that you can't even just race. But obviously this year has been horrible for him, with one win and one podium. One race he finished dead last. Things for Maverick Vinales are just not going well this year. You can call it spoiled rider syndrome, or you can just say whatever it is, but between the management and him not getting along, him not feeling good on the bike, obviously it's in the last year of the contract. Last year that he's going to be riding for the team, probably doesn't care all that much. They've switched, I think he's had 3 crew chiefs since 2017. Just this year has not been going well for Maverick Vinales, and especially if you're looking at him, or if you are him and you look at your teammate who is absolutely blowing everyone out of the water, doing winning, and winning by a lot, looking like he's on a whole nother level from other people, just speed wise. It's probably disheartening for him to just be like, why can't I have that feel, and why am I so far slower than Quartararo is? But who knows? It's just crazy to me that he can't even finish out a whole year. Even if you have a bad thing with the contracts, if you like all the mechanics, why are you going to try and sabotage or hurt a bike? Because they're the ones that are going to suffer for it, with all the extra work to take it apart, put it back together, and make it correct again. I don't know. Tell me what you think in the comments down below, though. Do you think he's just being a spoiled rider? Do you think there actually is bigger problems? where do you think he's going to go next year? Aprilia like it's rumored, or who knows where? So, like I said, comment down below. As you're scrolling by, hit the subscribe button, the like button, and the little bell so you know where, when, not where, when I'll be posting more. And yeah, I'll see y'all later. Peace.